Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can add shortcuts on this notification panel or quick settings, you can say. See here, these are the quick settings, right? This is, first of all, this is on the Motorola mobile and this is on the Nothing mobile. I just choose two mobiles so that you can get to know on different OS versions how you can add. So right now my requirement is I want to scan something. See, I have a QR code on a shopping website or something like that, and I want to scan with this. And currently, there is no QR code scanner available on the quick settings. Well, how you can enable is, see here, you can see a small pencil symbol here, right? You need to tap on this. In Realme, these are called tiles, you can say. And see here, QR code scanner, if you can see or not. QR code scanner, just tap on this and this gets added. But now we want the placement, we want the QR code to be at the top. What you can do is, there is no space, right? You need to remove one by clicking on this red bar here. This is for the nothing. Okay, for different mobiles the options will be different. So I just dragged and hold on here until I get this option here. Now I'll be pressing on my home button and now I'll check the quick settings. See here this is the QR code scanner. When I click on this, I can scan any QR code. Now we'll see this on the Motorola mobile. The options are very similar. There is a pencil symbol, see here. Click on this pencil symbol and here the UI is quite different. See here, the highlighted ones, the blue light ones are the ones which are active on the quick settings right now. Say if I don't want this ringer mode here, I'll tap on this and I'll be tapping on this torch. And I'll drag this and drop this at the top. Yeah, see here, now the torch has appeared here. If you can see, when I tap on this, the torch gets turned on. Here it is just drag and drop. Click on this edit symbol, and if you want battery saver, say for example, just drag and drop at the top so that you will see that. Okay, I'll be opening the quick settings and this is the battery saver. So likewise on different mobiles you can actually put on your favorite shortcuts for the quick access on your mobile. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.